Hello, this is Elaine from Antelope Beads, and today I'm going to show you how to make a basket bail. I have a piece here where I formed a little bail that almost looks like a basket for the bead over the top of a Kazuri bead. I've used a jump ring at the top to attach it to a leather. And then for this particular necklace, I've added some Kazuri rondelles with the 3mm O-rings. And then to get a little silver into the piece, I've also added some coils up the side of the necklace, and this sort of draws the silver up into the necklace and makes the design look a little bit more unified. And so let's get started. I'm going to start with a Kazuri bead, and this is about 3 inches of 18 gauge copper wire. I'm going to first of all shape the wire around the bead. And I'm just going to use my fingers to do this. And I'm going to get it so that it really pretty much goes right around the bead. That looks pretty good. My next step is to take a piece of 24 gauge wire, and I'll take my little curve here. I'm going to start a coil on one side of my curve, and I'll just coil that around about 3 or 4 times. That should do it. And I'm going to trim off this tail. The next thing I'll do is to string the Kazuri bead onto the 24 gauge wire. And I will go ahead and pull my curl in so that it's right up against the side of the bead, and coil on the other side. And again, about 3 or 4 coils is going to do it, just enough to hold it in place. I do want to make sure my coils are nice and tight there. Okay. And I'll trim that off. And this is what I have so far. Now I want to set the bead so that it's just got the right amount of space above my curve. And then I will trim off these 2 ends so that I'm leaving about 1/4 inch on each side. Now I've got something that looks like this, and my last step will be to take a pair of round nose pliers, and I will just grab the end of this tail and roll it up around the coil. I'll do that on the other side. Again, I'm just going to grab the tail, roll it up, and now I've got a piece that looks like this. And my very last step will be to take a jump ring, open up the jump ring, put the little basket into the jump ring, close it, and then I am ready to string it onto a piece of cord or chain. And there is our basket bail. Thank you so much for watching.